Good morning. Today we will be unboxing my son's new keyboard. He wanted the RGB LED light backlit thingy. Don't record my face, record my hands. So we just bought it for $350 at the local computer store, Astrum. I'm quite happy with the Astrum keyboards and the Astrum computer components. It's not that bad. It lasts. And the thing is, why I bought it, it's the computer store where we bought it, they trade with it, so they can also vouch for it. It is, I will show you now that it's a Astrum gaming keyboard KG200. I will drop a link in the description as well. So let's just get this bad boy out. Nice sealed. The cable is nicely tucked away inside the box. Let's put this out there. He's replacing his keyboard with this one. He had a Volcano normal wireless, but the batteries doesn't last, so he complains about that. Now he's got this one. The back side, not too shabby. I still don't know what that is for. Maybe you can put some other legs in there, I don't know. We got the flippers, the little stands. I always like to use the stands, see also. And then we flip it back. Keys are nice and soft. By no means, I'm not a computer guru, so I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what to tell you guys otherwise about this keyboard. I just know you plug it into the computer and you use it. So we haven't tested it yet. This is the first time. Yeah, it's like I said, the keys are nice. It's on the box. The features is silent keys, membrane, spill resistant design, RGB LED light. And it's got a US layout, so it's the QWERTY, you see. It's multimedia. That's the one thing I like about this keyboard, is because it's multimedia as well. I like to use multimedia to play music with and stuff. So let's plug this one into the USB and see what the light is all about, all the fuss with light and stuff. I'm gonna use the front. Oh, look at that. That's nice. I don't know what does this one do. You switch it on and off. With that one. The nice thing about this gaming keyboard that I notice now is the arrows on WASD, and also on the normal arrows is WASD. That's quite cool. There's light. So my son asked me what the FN is for. So I'm going to show him what the FN is for now. I think you keep it in. Let's go. Okay, that's not. Okay, it does work. You can set the brightness. Okay, there's 3 different brightness settings. And that's all. All the caps locks and stuff. It's working. That's nice. Scroll lock. I don't know what scroll lock is for, so I'm not going to bother with that one. But yeah, that's it. That's a normal RGB backlit LED light gaming keyboard, multimedia, whatever. So for 350 rand, that equates to about, let's do a quick math, maybe $5. No, I like $20. I don't know. I'm not going to go into that. But yeah, this is my son's new keyboard, and he will most probably test it out now. Thanks for watching.